Welcome to SaveLifeID, a service that gives you access to your medical information at any time. In this video, we are going to guide you through the easy steps of reviewing and editing your profile online. It's for patients that already received their SaveLifeID at the doctor's office. Click Sign In. You need to fill in your username, which is your email address, and type in your password. Click Sign In. Click on My Medical Profile to review your information. Here, you can view all your SaveLifeID information by category. Most of it has been completed by your doctor, but you can add, change, or hide information. To review your medical profile in detail, you can use the pull-down menu or by clicking the previous or next buttons. You can select and edit your emergency details in the summary. To hide or display your information, just click on the eyeball. You can easily add a new medication or delete it. By typing in your phone number and online password and assigning a time, you can set a medication reminder. This is what the medical professional will see upon scan. Knowing this information in an emergency makes a difference in the treatment and could potentially save your life. It's another step towards keeping your family safe. Having a SaveLifeID is like having your doctor by your side, always.